This house is designed from a factor part of the inside, and then also on the outside had big determination for the way it ended up. We live in a relaxed way between the rooms. They're organized so that they flow from one to the other, all the way from the big living area, which sometimes I call a studio because we combine both the sitting area and the work area of computers and a desk. All those rooms are organized around two fireplaces, and they're two-sided fireplaces, so we kind of thought that was a way to get four fireplaces in effect. One of them is between the main living area and sitting area and the dining and kitchen, and the other one is between the work area of the main room and the master bedroom. When we were designing the house, I knew it was important to decide on a fireplace fairly early on because they're major elements and they needed to fit in the space. Also, the way this house is organized, they're right down the line. So early on, we stopped in at All Seasons and Craig was there, and we wanted something very clear and open. And he had two different manufacturers that they represent. And this one was the one we decided was the better of the two for us and how it fit in the house. Both for the size of the unit that was available and the way it finished out and was trimmed. The fireplace between the living room and the dining room is a big single mass, and it kind of helps visually divide the two rooms without totally separating them. And we wanted that to be a shape that was monolithic. And so I ended up stuccoing the box before the trim for the fireplace went on. So it's just a big simple gray shape. And the same sort of element on the other side of the room is across from the table. I use the same gray plaster stucco sort of treatment with texture. And yet it's within a big wood surround that looks a little more traditional. On the flip side of that, in the master bedroom, there's a textured wall that is white. And that is online, in fact, with the front of the house where the little window is that's above the tub, so you can actually sit in the tub, look back and see the fireplace in the master bedroom. I think it was kind of a fun way to use the same fireplace unit and end up with really three different appearances to the whole thing.